In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix media sound not working on Samsung phone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. A specific audio routing bug has been identified that causes media sound to cut out or fail to initialize even when your volume's turned up. And this often happens after disconnecting from Bluetooth or a car head unit. So if your volume bar moves but no sound comes out, it might still be trying to send audio to a ghost device. So what we're going to do is go over to our settings application, go to connections, and then go over to Bluetooth. Now, if you're recently in the car or you're using earbuds, find the device in the list and tap the gear icon. And then once you go ahead and do that, toggle media audio to off, and then wait 2 seconds and then toggle it back on as well. So then once you go ahead and do that, you can just try turning off Bluetooth entirely. This forces the system to re-initialize the audio path. If you aren't using Bluetooth, simple toggle Bluetooth off and then on, and your quick settings can reset the audio focus. What you can also do is check the mute all sounds accessibility. So what we want to do is go back, then go ahead and find accessibility. Once you find accessibility, just go ahead into it, and then we want to tap on hearing enhancements. Then look for mute all sounds. Make sure that is turned off. And yeah, once you do that, you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.